In honor of National Health Centers Week, the Centerville office of the Community Health Centers of Southern Iowa served a free lunch to the public Wednesday afternoon. Samantha Cannon is the CEO, and she listed what services are offered.
So, Community Health Center of Southern Iowa is a federally qualified health center that provides medical, behavioral health, dental, pharmacy, mammography services across South Central Iowa and North Central Missouri. We actually have 9 locations in the 10 counties we've been charged with serving, and this location is entirely behavioral health. So here we provide therapy services, telepsych services, psychology services, and substance use disorder services.
Congressman Dave Loebsack stopped by to grab lunch. He calls himself a champion of community health centers.
This is Community Health Center Week. I'm doing this. I'm doing River Hills. I'm a strong supporter of these folks. They fill a gap that is really needed, and we did pass legislation recently that will fund them for the next 4 years, which I think is a really good thing. They just do so much great work for the community. I thought I should be here.
The conversation shifted to the 2 mass shootings that occurred last weekend in El Paso, Texas and Dayton, Ohio. Loebsack is frustrated with the relative inaction in Congress. He places the blame squarely on the Senate Majority Leader.
Well, my response is that Mitch McConnell in the U.S. Senate takes great pride in stopping anything that we get passed in the U.S. House of Representatives. I think he ought to be ashamed, quite honestly, in this case. We passed an extensive background checks bill earlier this year. That's something that ought to be taken up this afternoon as far as I'm concerned. It's really incumbent upon Mitch McConnell in the U.S. Senate to bring the bills that we've passed in the U.S. House to the floor of the U.S. Senate. And if I have to go back during the August recess, if you will, to take care of this issue, I'm more than willing to do that.
Congress is back in session September 8th. Loebsack plans on wrapping up his day with a visit to the Bloomfield Airport. For Atomo Radio News, I'm Ellis Kojo.